This blank of wood that I have is a little bit oversized for the pen that I need. It's about 5/8 to 3/4 inches square and around 5 inches long. I've marked it for the grain match, as I mentioned, and the next thing that I need to do is I need to cut it so that it's cut into two sections that are the proper length for the brass tubes that come with the pen kit. So I'm going to hold the brass tube on there and just make a mark. We want this part to actually be a little bit longer than the brass tube, and so I'll leave about a 1/16 of an inch excess. And then we'll take the second brass tube, lay it in there, and we'll make another mark, and then we're going to go to the bandsaw and cut these two sections so that we'll have them the length of the brass tube. And this cut doesn't need to be exact. These pieces need to be just a little bit longer than the tubes. We'll actually trim them up later on, so this really is not all that critical. I'm going to make sure that my fingers are not in the way of the blade, and I'll cut through that line. So there are our two halves of the pen blank, each to match the length of the brass tubes. You'll notice that we can always put them together the way the grain matches because of our grain match mark that we've made.